好啦，大家睇晒嗰個題目未啊？應該差唔多噶啦。嗱，咁咧大家呢個題目咧好簡單咧，而家喺度做緊乜嘢咧？總之下面咧有一份 questionnaire，呢度有幾多條題目啊？1、2、3、4、5、6、7、8，咁有8條題目，咁咧就係一份 questionnaire，又係俾 nursing students 嘅喎，問佢哋嗰個 health status 嘅 before and after practicum。咁咧，佢呢度就有提示你喎，第二句，所有 continuous data 咧都係 normally distribute 嘅喎。大家仲記唔記得 normally distribute 係點樣㗎？normally distribute 嘅係點㗎？仲記唔記得？希望大家記得啦，bell shape 啊嘛，係咪啊？我見到有同學答啊，等我望下先。係啦，bell shape，大家要記得喎嚇，提咗好多次喎。normal distribution bell shape，如果你畫出嚟咧，就好似個山咁樣，得一個 peak 嘅，而個 peak 咧拉條直線落去個底度咧，就將兩條 curve 咧分開咗兩邊，每邊咧個 area 同埋個 shape 都係一模一樣嘅，咁呢個叫 bell shape。咁我哋點解咧咁着重知道一啲 continuous data 係咪 normal distribute 咧？大家仲記唔記得啊？因為你記唔記得喺 data analysis 裏面咧有一張 slide 嚇，我 show 翻俾你睇先。嗰度教大家咧點樣用 parametric 同 non-parametric test 嘅喎。去翻 data analysis 嗰度先。呢度等我放大啲。呢個嚇係我俾你嘅 slide 嚟嘅。咁呢度咧，呢度呢張重要啊，就係咧幫我哋分辨咧幾時用 parametric，幾時用 non-parametric test 嘅喎。咁我記得我自己上堂講過嘅，只要你記得晒 parametric 嗰3個原則咧，3個原則都要係 yes 喎，先可以用 parametric 喎。咁咧，逢係嗰啲 data 唔 meet 呢3個 point 嘅任何一個 point 咧，佢都係落去做 non-parametric 噶啦。咁點解我哋要知道啲 continuous data 係咪 normally distribute 咁重要咧？因為喺3個原則底下咧，第一個就係嗰啲 data 係要 normally distribute 嘅，係一個 normal distribution。咁所以點解咧？我哋就要知道啦。咁所以要特登講俾你聽喎嚇。跟住佢叫你啦，identify 同 justify，即係解釋啦。justify 即係 the correct statistical test to be used for each research questions below 喎嚇。有3條 research questions，咁咧你要話俾我聽下，話俾自己要答。睇完嗰條 research question，你覺得邊一個 statistical test 咧先係啱用嘅咧？咁 before 我哋去 go through 啲 questions 嘅時候咧，我又想問下你咯。應該有4個 test 咧，我係話俾你聽，你一定要識噶嘛。仲記唔記得邊4個？我係話你一定要識㗎，嗰4個。雖然我俾咗好多個你嘅，記唔記得邊4個？你 type 喺個chat box 嗰度啊，等我知道你哋記得。溫書要溫嗰4個。係啦 present product moment correlation 啊，仲有咧 ，ours 係咩嚟㗎？呢個唔係一個 test 嘅名嚟㗎係嘛？一個 proper 嘅 test 名係啦 Spearman Role Correlation Coefficient Test 啊，要寫到個 test 嘅名喎，記住，知唔知啊？要寫一個 full name 喎。如果我問你就，仲有咧，有4個㗎嘛？仲有邊2個啊？係啦 ，pair and unpair t-test 好啦喎，咁同學就打咗4個喺度啦。咁我又問你咯喎，呢4個 test 咧，分別用喺呢2個唔同嘅情景嘅，邊2個情景啊？或者我感覺2款唔同嘅 research questions 啦嚇。我應該咁問，呢4個 test 咧用喺2款唔同嘅 research questions 嘅，邊2款 research questions 啊？我上堂講過，係得嗰2款嘅啫，冇第3款嘅。係啦，非常好喎。Find correlation 或者 relationship between variables 喎。咁如果個 research questions 係問呢一樣嘢嘅，個 study 有冇 intervention 啦？你估係冇 intervention 嘅喎，係咪？咁另一款 research questions 係乜嘢？另一款 research questions 係啦，compare different 講清楚啲喎，係 compare difference between groups 喎，compare group mean difference 或者叫做咁呢一類型嘅就係乜嘢啊？好多時都係有 intervention 嘅。我想睇下嗰兩組人 receive 咗唔同 intervention 之後咧，佢個 outcome score 有冇分別喎？咁我又問你咯喎，咁如果我想睇 group difference 嘅 compare group difference，應該用邊兩款 test 啊？你呢度打咗出嚟嘅。compare difference between two groups 應該用邊一個啊？unpair 啦，係啦。如果 compare difference within group 咧，我得一組人嘅啫，但我想 compare 佢之前同之後即係做完 intervention，做 intervention 前同 intervention 之後個 outcome score 個分別用乜嘢啊？係啦，pair T test 喎，pair T test 得一組嘅啫，不過咧就想 compare 下喺唔同時段攞嗰啲 outcome 咧個 measurement 咧有冇分別？好啦喎，另外一款就係話我想睇下咧嗰兩個 variable 之間嘅關係，睇下 correlation 嚇。咁我應該用邊種啊？應該用邊種啊？睇嗰兩個 variable 之間嘅關係，我應該用邊種啊？Pearson 定 Spearman 啊？你會揀？Pearson、Spearman 得唔得啊？Spearman 都得㗎，係嘛？咁你應該再問我一樣嘢喎。喂，咁嗰兩個 variable 究竟係咪 continuous data 先？如果佢係 continuous data，究竟佢係咪 normal distribution 啊？咁你問埋我呢啲嘢咧，咁你就好醒目啦。咁你就知道究竟係 Pearson 啦，定係 Spearman 咯喎。咁其實咧，大家又可以去翻呢個就係 lecture notes 啦。你會見到咧呢一版我話要記啦，係咪？跟住咧，你會見到下面啦。嗱，呢一版咧係講緊一啲 research questions，講緊 correlation 或者 association，即係兩個 variable 之間嘅關係啦。咁我咧唯一一個箭嘴指住嘅咧，嗰兩個 test 咧就係啦，Spearman product moment correlation 同Pearson product moment correlation 同埋 Spearman rule 嘅。咁你咧就要根據呢一頁嗰啲原則咧，去揀究竟係邊一隻 test 適合用咯喎。如果 Pearson product moment 咧，佢係 parametric test 嘛，就係嗰兩個 variables 咧，有兩個 variables 啦，嗰兩個都係要 continuous 同埋 normally distributed 先得嘅嚇。咁咧，至於如果嗰兩個 variables 咧，是但一個係啲 ordinal data 或者係啲 continuous data，但係 not normally distributed 咧，就用呢個啦 Spearman rule。紅色咧即係咩啊？non-parametric test 啦呢度嚇。咁咧，有啲 range 俾你啦，我叫你記住啦，0.8啊嘛，係咪？乜嘢都係0.8，0.8以上就係好噶啦，咁啊容易記啦嚇。你跟住啦，第二款嘅咧就係 mean difference between study groups，係嘛？我叫你記住嗰兩個 test 咧，就箭嘴指住嗰兩個啦。一個 between groups comparison，兩組人用 unpaired t test 啦。unpaired t test 咧係 parametric test 嚟嘅。另外咧就係 pair sample 啦嚇，即係一組人 within group 啦，一組人 compare 兩個唔同時間 measure 嘅data，咁咧用 pair t test 叫 pair 喎，所以都好易記嘅 pair 啊嘛，咁就一組人啦，兩次啦，咁又係 continuous data，咁咧你見佢黑色噶嘛，紅係黑色嗰啲就係 parametric 噶啦，紅色先係 non-parametric 嘅啫嚇，咁好易記啦。好，咁啊翻嚟我哋依度咯喎，翻嚟呢份嘢度先。好啦，咁即係話咧，如果我哋要答下面咧呢三樣嘢，三個題目啦，你要知道佢係 continuous 係咪 continuous data 啦，你要知道咧佢係咪 normally distributed 啦。咁如果係咁嘅話咧，而家呢度有8個 items，我想你而家用時間寫喺你自己嘅度，寫喺側邊，每一個 items 究竟佢個 level of measurement 係乜嘢？呢個重複咗多次咧，做功課做過上堂重複好多次，都話大家要識得分。咁呢度得8個 items 嘅啫。咁咧嗰個 participant 應該要點樣答我咧？就喺隔離 response 呢度嘅。咁你根據我要求佢答嗰個形式，然之後你話翻俾我聽，究竟每一個 item 佢個 level of measurement 係乜嘢？我俾5分鐘你做，你自己寫喺側邊，一陣間我哋一齊對答案。 盡量試下咧，唔好睇翻啲 notes 喎，因為到 week 13啦，呢啲都温過好多次，應該都記得㗎啦，得4個 level of measurement 嘅啫嘛 ，nominal、ordinal、interval 或者 ratio。咁你叫 continuous 我都 OK 嘅 interval 同 ratio，如果你真係暫時分唔開嘅話，大家試下唔好睇書，唔好睇 notes，自己試下做。做晒未啊？你哋做晒舉手幫我睇下。有人做晒咯喎，3個、4個，嗰幾位同學啦，都做晒啦。好啦，陸陸續續有人舉手啦。好，咁我哋一齊對下答案啦。如果你識，你哋又 type 落個 chat box 嗰度啊。咁我睇下你哋做得啱唔啱。好啦，gender 咧，我要求佢答男仔或者女仔。咁呢啲係乜嘢 level of measurement 啊？串啱喎個字，唔該嚇。nominal 係冇 R 嘅嚇，記住啊，唔好串錯字啊，串錯字冇分㗎，冇個 R 嗰度。係啦，啱啦。age 咧 ，age 我要佢寫個 exact age 俾我睇。係啦，ratio 啦嚇，或者有同學寫 continuous 啦都得㗎。body weight 咧，係喎，又係 ratio 啱啦。height 咧 一樣啊，一樣嚇 racial 或者 continuous age、body weight、height 都係 racial 或者 continuous。Do you breakfast every day？你係咪日日食早餐㗎？我答 yes no 嘅 question 嚇。Nominal 啱。Do you have soft？Do you drink soft drink every day？啊，又係 yes no 嘅答案。呢啲又係啦，nominal 啦，好快可以就得啦。On an average good day，how many hours do you sleep？啊，每日瞓幾耐喎？佢要答 exact hours 喎。係啦，又係 racial 啦。好啦，下面呢條啦，最尾。How do you rate your health status in a 0 to 10 numerical scale? 0 means extremely unhealthy, 10 means extremely healthy. Before 同 after Petticum 都量一次嘅，呢啲係咩 data？有人話係 interval，有人話係 ordinal，應該係咩好咧？其實呢啲咧就屬於咧一啲 interval data 嚟嘅。點解咧？你諗下我哋 interpret 嗰個人嗰個 health status 咧，我哋咧係譬如我哋 collect 咗50個人之後咧，我係咧會想知道咧究竟佢哋 overall 呢50個人嘅 mean health status 係幾多嘅。Rather than 咧，如果你話佢 ordinal 咧，我哋只能夠咧知道咧究竟有幾多個 percent 咧係喺1，有幾多個 percent 喺2，有幾多個 percent 係3，有幾多 percent 係4嚇，如此類推。咁所以咧呢啲咧我哋會當佢咧係一啲 continuous scale 去處理嘅嚇，明唔明個意思？我哋會當係一啲 continuous scale 去處理，因為我哋雖然話個 scale 係 racial 係 ordinal，我哋睇落係 ordinal，但係咧我哋要 clinically 有個 meaning 先得嘅，因為我哋做咁多 research 咧，其實同 clinical practice 係有關嘅。我哋攞 health status 咧係好想知道究竟呢班佢個 health status 去到邊度，咁所以我哋 interpret 嗰個 rating 嘅時候咧，都要係我哋理解到先得嘅。咁所以我哋通常咧都會當佢係一啲 continuous data。咁我哋就理解啦。呢50個人咧，佢 on average 咧，佢個 health status 可能喺7.8，咁即係咧中間偏高啦，咁嘅意思咯。最好嘅梗係10啦，係咪？咁我哋咁樣睇嘅。咁我 before 同 after practicum 都度一次嘅。咁好啦，咁你諗下咯，即係嗱，我見到你哋見到 before 同 after 啦，咁即係咧 likely 咧，純粹睇呢個 questionnaire 有冇 intervention 㗎？呢個 studies 佢冇寫，佢呢度冇寫俾你嘅。我哋一望知冇啦，係咪？純粹咧好似一個 survey 嚇，睇下啲學生出完 practicum 之前之後個分別啦。咁所以咧係冇 intervention 嘅嚇，呢一類型就咁個 survey 嘅 studies。咁好啦，第一題答咩咧？第一題問咩啊？第一題有3條 research questions 啊。第一題 Will male students be heavier than female students in terms of BMI？ 你覺得應該用乜嘢 test 去做啊？你得4個 test 嘅啫。首先大家要分到，究竟呢一題呢一條 research question A，佢係 compare groups，compare means between groups 啊，定係想知道 correlation between variables 啊？有人又話 pair t-test，有人又話 unpair t-test。不過你答咗我先啦，究竟佢係 correlation between variables 啊，定係 compare means between groups 啊？我哋第一樣要咁樣諗咗先，係屬於邊種啊？係啊，compare means between groups 喎。乜嘢？我哋有幾多 group 啊？呢一度其實 mention 咗2個 item 嘅啫嘛。male female 講緊咩啊？gender 啊嘛，係咪？跟住另外一個就係 BMI。咁而家講你話 compare group 喎，咁係用邊一個 item 去分 group 啊？呢度2個 item。係啦，用 gender 喎嚇。我講多次啊，因為 make sure 所有同學都明呢一條題目 A。Will male students be heavier than female students in terms of BMI？ 首先咧呢度咧，雖然上面有8個 items，但係呢條 research questions 咧係提及2個 items 嘅啫。第一係 gender，male 同 female。第二就 BMI。跟住話嚇 BMI Miss 係 喺邊度嚟啊？上面冇嘅，係冇㗎。我哋好多時咧攞咗啲 raw data 翻嚟咧，自己計翻啲 variables 嘅。BMI 我哋可以用咩計到啊？用 body weight 同 body height 就可以計到出嚟㗎嘛。咁我哋會計咗一個叫 BMI 出嚟。我哋有時都會咁樣做嘅，因為 BMI 咧個 subjects 咧唔係直接俾到我哋㗎嘛。佢計俾你，你都唔信啦，你都唔知佢條 formula 有冇錯。咁但係我攞到個 weight 同埋 height 咧，我就 make sure 我可以入到我自己啱嗰條 formula，就計到每一個人嘅 BMI 咯。咁咧，而咧喺呢兩個 item 裏面咧，gender 咧就係將呢兩班人分咗 group 噶啦，一班係男仔，一班係女仔。想睇乜嘢啊？男仔同女仔之間佢個 BMI 重量係咩？係邊個重啲啊嘛？係咪？佢呢度問究竟男仔係咪重過女仔啊？In terms of BMI 咁樣。咁所以咧，我哋係 compare means between groups 啦。between 幾多 groups 啊？喺呢一條 research questions 底下兩 group 啫 ，male 同 female students 兩 group 嚇。係咪一定兩 group 啊？唔係喎，睇下你嗰個 item 係咩咯。我今次咁啱 gender，我得兩 group，我咪兩 group 咯。咁如果下次有個 item 係三個 group，咁我就係 compare mean difference between three groups 咯。咁所以你要好知道咧，第一呢條題目究竟係 compare means between groups 定係 correlation between variables？咁同學頭先都答咗啦，compare means between groups。第二有幾多組？咁我俾得你咧都係兩組啦，因為三組嗰啲你唔識做嚇。咁但係你都要分得到啦嚇。咁好啦，第二樣嘢我哋要諗咯。咁究竟 BMI 咧係 BMI 係 continuous data 啦，係咪？我哋用個 weight 同埋 height 計出嚟噶嘛。咁呢個 BMI 究竟係咪 normally distribute 㗎？我又問你咯。嗱，因為我話咧，所有呢個話啊嘛，所有 continuous data 都係 normally distribute 嘅。body weight height 係 normally distribute 嘅。咁由佢哋兩個衍生出嚟嘅 BMI 係咪一定 normally distribute 㗎？唔一定係嘅，唔一定係嘅，因為你計過㗎嘛，係咪？用條 formula。咁所以咧，我哋其實要再 check 嘅。咁如果我當個 BMI 係 normally distribute 啦，我當佢係啦，我都話俾你聽，佢係啦。咁我哋應該用咩嘢 test 啊？兩組人，你學過兩隻 test 嘅啫，pair 同 unpair t-test 啊嘛，係咪？兩隻都係 parametric test 㗎嘛，兩隻都係愛嚟咧去 measure 嗰個 outcome 係 continuous and normally distribute 啊嘛，BMI 咪 fit 咗呢個 requirement 咯。咁應該係咩啊？unpair 啦，啱啦。unpair t-test 原因因為男仔同女仔係兩班獨立嘅人嚟嘅，唔係一班人，所以咧就係 unpair t-test 喎，即係唔好搞錯嚇。咁所以就 unpair t-test 啦，或者叫 independent t-test 嘅。有陣時我哋我俾你嘅答案咧寫住 independent t-test 其實即係 unpair 咁解。書裡面咧都會有兩種唔同寫法嘅。咁個原因就係兩個原因啦。第一嗰個BMI 啦，即係個 dependent variables 咧係 normally distribute 嘅 continuous data 啦。第二啦，我係有兩組獨立嘅組別嘅，一男一女啦。咁所以我哋用 unpair t-test 或者叫 independent t-test 啦。好啦 ，B 咯。Will the students' self-rate health status change before and after clinical practicum？嗱，呢個我想你自己做喎。你而家做啊？用翻頭先我教你個 logic 去諗，究竟咧佢應該係用邊一隻 test 咧？喺個四種裡面，第一樣嘢問自己，究竟佢係 compare means between groups 或者係 correlation between variables？第二就睇下有啲咩 items 係 involved 喺呢條題目度，而嗰個 items 究竟係屬於咩 level of measurement？我俾2分鐘大家諗下。 好啦，大家應該諗得差唔多噶啦。你俾個答案我先啦，你覺得佢係用咩 test 啊？Compare 有冇其他同學打來來得嗰兩個同學嘅？Compare mean difference within group before and after CP use pair T test。啱喎，pair T test。其他同學係咪都要諗到 pair T test 啊？你舉手啊！如果你係都，睇先。係啊，啲同學都舉咗手，係啊。如果咧錯咗嘅咧，錯咗唔緊要啊，大家真係要翻去用翻頭先我講嗰個方法咧去諗一諗。一望到一條 hypothesis 或者 research questions 都好，要問下自己幾個問題。第一，究竟係呢一個 hypothesis 或者 research questions，佢係問緊 relationship between variables 定係 compare mean difference between groups 嚇？第一樣。因為呢兩類已經好唔同嘅 test 啦，頭先都同大家溫過書啦。第二，有咩 items 係喺 involve 喺呢條 questions 度嘅？而呢一啲 items 邊一個係 dependent，邊一個係 independent？咁我哋要知咧就係個 dependent variable，究竟嗰啲 variables 咧係乜嘢 level of measurement？嗱，好似 B 題啦，頭先同學啱啦，我咧係講緊 student 嘅自己嘅 health status before and after clinical practicum， 即係其實會 involve 嘅 data item 咧就係呢兩個啦。health status before practicum，health status after practicum。咁係邊一班人啊？係咪同一班人啊？係喎，就係嗰一班學生啦。嗰班學生未出 CP 之前，即係 before 啦，同出完 CP 之後，佢哋個 佢哋個 health status 有冇分別啊嘛？咁所以我係同一班人，我係比較緊呢兩個唔同時段 collect 得到嘅 health status 做比較嘅。咁呢啲咧，嗱我哋睇翻呢個啦，呢啲我哋叫咩啊？pair sample，兩個 measurement before practicum 同 after practicum 係 within group compare。within 嗰個意思係同一組人嚇，叫 within group。咁所以咧，我哋又用 pair T 嘅 test 嘅，咁啊啱咗就恭喜你啦。如果咧錯咗唔緊要嚇，大家用翻頭先我教你哋嘅方法去諗，不過當然要好熟頭先嗰啲 slide 啦，咁你就會推斷到出嚟噶啦。通常咧90%以上都會啱噶啦嚇，99%都啱噶啦。好啦，C 咯喎，咁 C 又係我又俾2分鐘大家去睇，試下用下頭先嘅方法去諗。睇下今次會唔會多啲同學係啱嘅？Will there be a relationship between age and self-rate health status as baseline 啊？C 係問呢樣嘢喎。好啦，依家差唔多啦。希望今次咧多啲同學啱先。好啦，答問題咯，我哋第一個佢係呢條題目係睇緊 relationship between variables 定係 comparison between groups 㗎？C 呢題係咯，好明顯係嘛？ 睇緊個 relationship。喺你哋嚟講咧，relationship、correlation、association 都係同一樣嘢嚟嘅，但喺我眼中咧就有唔同嘅，用嘅 test 其實都有啲分別嘅。不過你哋初學你當一樣就算啦吓。咁你係講緊 relationship between variables 喎。咁好啦，邊兩個 variable 係 involve 㗎？喺呢條題目度，邊兩個 variables？好明顯啦，一個係 age 啦，係咪？係 continuous data 嚟㗎，因為我佢 exact years 啊嘛。另外就有個 health status at baseline，咁即係 before practicum 嗰個啦。我哋頭先都解釋咗啦，我哋將佢當佢係一個 continuous 嘅 variable 去處理啦。咁所以咧係比較緊 age 同係想知道咧 age 同埋 health status at baseline 嘅關係喎。咁即係換句話講咧，我哋可以排除咗嗰啲咩 t-test 嗰啲嘢啦，有兩類你已經排除得㗎啦。unpair 同 pair t-test 都唔啱用啦。咁我哋剩低嘅選擇咧就係 Pearson 同 Spearman 啦。咁好啦，我哋再睇就係話呢兩個 variable 啊，喺呢一個 research questions 裏面，咁究竟咧佢係屬於乜嘢嘅 level of measurement 而決定咧，我哋究竟係用 Pearson 定 Spearman 咯？咁我哋頭先要上面講咗啦，所有 continuous data 都係 normally distributed 噶嘛，所以我哋一定咧係用 parametric test 嘅。咁 parametric test 而係睇 correlation between variables 係邊一個啊？係啦，Pearson product moment 係啦。咁今次有邊啲同學係自己做啱咗㗎？你可唔可以舉下手俾我睇下？有冇多啊？頭先先。都係嗰幾位同學啫喎，唔緊要啦。咁其他唔識嗰啲咧，你而家識唔識啊？而家知唔知點解啊？揭曉咗之後個答案啊？通常同學都冇乜反應㗎啦，唔緊要啦。最緊要你聽完之後明白就得啦，唔明咧就要問啦啊。因為我哋任何關於 data analysis 嘅題目，一咁樣問咧，其實都係用同一個邏輯去理解同埋咧去揾翻個答案嘅啫。記住，你喺呢個 course 裏面係有4種最 basic 嘅 test 你要識嘅啫，其他我喺嗰個 PowerPoint show 俾你嗰啲咧，都係 for 你 capstone 嘅，我都冇特別多解釋，亦都唔需要你哋特別去記嘅。咁所以你分得清呢4種 test 有2類，然之後去揀咧就 OK 噶啦。好啦，咁咧我哋要 go through 嘅題目，我哋就 go through 晒啦。咁頭先講咗啦，第2題關於 qualitative studies trustworthiness 嘅咧，阿 Eliza 老師會喺下星期嘅 lecture 咧同大家做溫書啦，再加咧會 go through 埋呢啲題目，咁啊教大家點樣答題目嘅喺嗰度。咁大家就要留意下星期嘅 lecture 咯。咁關於今日呢一個嘅 seminar 嘅內容，有冇咩問題？想我再解釋多啲嘅，大家可以 feel free 去問下。仲有冇？嗱，咁唔係聽日，星期5咧，我哋又係講 data analysis 嘅。咁咧有2題目，咁我哋會一齊 go through 下，有啲 result 俾你，我哋一齊睇一齊答咁樣咯。咁如果大家對於今日嗰個內容冇問題，我哋可以走啦。或者咧，如果星期5再諗到都可以再問我嘅。或者即時有冇啲乜嘢想我再 clarify 解釋清楚嘅？唔好怕醜喎。冇啊，係咪啊？咁冇唔緊要啦。咁有咩可以星期5啊？星期5我哋可以見面，可以再傾咯。咁我哋今日就到呢度啦。咁個錄音咧就大家如果想翻嚟再聽，可以再聽嘅。OK，咁我哋就今日停喺呢度啦。拜拜咁多位。